Today's topic is rational number. So, what is rational number? Any number which is a natural number or a number which is a whole number or any integer or any fraction or decimal. Fraction and decimal both means the same thing. It's just that the representation is different. Like, I'll give you an example. For an example, I can write 1.1 So this I can write in decimal as 1.5. Both means the same. So a number which is a natural numbers are the numbers that begins with 1, 2, 3, and this way it will continue till infinity. Whole numbers are numbers that begins with 0 and it will continue till infinity, just like natural number. Integers are number that consist of both positive as well as negative number. So similarly, we do not know from where it begins. It's infinity and it moves till the infinity. So it's like, for an example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This way it will continue. So rational number is a number that consists of, that can be a natural number, that can be a whole number, that can be an integer, that can be a fraction or a decimal. So basically in this chapter we are going to deal with all these kind of numbers and different operation of these kind of numbers. So before we begin with the sums, we have to first understand what is an irrational number. A number which is not rational is irrational. Simple. So which numbers are irrational? There are two types of irrational numbers. First type of irrational number, you can say, is a number that has a negative denominator, like x by y. So if there is a negative sign in the denominator, it is an irrational number. So in order to perform the calculation, we have to first convert these kind of numbers, that is irrational number, into a rational number, and then only we can solve the problem. Like if we have any fraction, for an example 1 by -2. So this is an irrational number. We can convert it into a rational number. How? By multiplying both the numbers with -1. So if we multiply both numerator as well as denominator with -1, so we get 1 into -1, -1, and -2 into -1. Minus into minus is plus. So we get only 2. So this way you can see that an irrational number has become a rational number. The second type of example or second type of irrational number is a number which has a 0 in its denominator, like x by 0. Why is it irrational? For an example, 3 by 0. This is an irrational number. How can I say this is an irrational number? Because if you divide 3, this would mean 3 is divided by 0. So let's try to divide 3 with 0. No matter with which number we are trying to divide 3, we are not able to do it, because anything into 0 is 0. So every time we are trying to divide the number, we get a 0 and the 3 moves down. Again it is divided by 0 and again the 3 moves down. So this way this continue and it will never end. So the answer is infinity, never ending.